Afternoon, guys. I wasn't going to make a video until parts came. This is, what, Wednesday, what, May 12th? Is it the 12th? Hold on. Pull out the phone. Yep, May 12th. That's the time in the afternoon. That's the temp. These look to be, what are these? These look to be quarter panels, or kick panels. Yep, kick panel. Without air conditioning, left-hand side. That's the one I want right off the bat. Okay. Along with that, I suspect that box is the carpeting, and these are the sill plates. So those won't be open for a while. So now that I got parts, we're going to get back on getting this cable in, and then getting the protective covers on, then getting the carpet in. So that's what we'll be working on. So when I get more, I'll bring you guys back later. That's the rod I was talking about in the earlier videos. Remember, the cabling's going up like this. And this is your open and close the vent. There it goes. So, yeah. So, let's see. So basically, we were talking right in this area right here. So, yeah, I'm going to have to cut that. Yeah, there's no getting around it, because that's got to go back. So I'm going to have to play with this. So I'm going to be playing around with this for a little bit, and let's see what I come up with. More in a minute. Morning, tubers. It's Thursday? Yeah, Thursday. And that's the time, that's the temp. Kick panels are in. And let's see, over here, carpeting and sill plates, and it's up on the dollies. I want to readjust the suspension a little bit before we go back out. And the best way to do it, still get my fat butt underneath it, is to put it up on dollies. As you can see, I can definitely get underneath it. So today, with any luck, I will do the kick panels, get this kick panel. Once it's done, then we can do the front carpeting. Because memory serves me right, and you guys can correct me if I'm wrong, the kick panel sits on top of the carpeting. So, and we got issues with this down here, and how we're going to do this, I haven't quite sure yet. But first thing first is to get the cabling all right, get it in place, hold it there, and then slide the panel in and see what we're going to have to change and modify. So that's the game plan, and when I get more, I'll bring you guys back later. Alright, I cut right in there. Light's going. I slit that. It'll fit. The thing is, where it comes down here on the bottom, that's going to be the issue. I might have to sit there and cut the bottom of the right here and just bulge it out. So let me turn that off. Okay. Yeah. So I'm going to quit for today. Getting a little toasty out here. What is it? Almost 90 in here. Yeah. So yeah, we're going to quit. Tomorrow we'll put these on and get that wiring sort of routed, see where we're at, and then we'll play with the kick panel, and we'll go from there. So I'm going to go ahead and load this up. I want to thank everybody for watching, subscribing, and of course leaving comments. And yeah, we're in the upper 90s today, and tomorrow we might break 100. So live show tomorrow, guys, and yeah, have a good one. Later.